Hello, YouTubies! I'm Grant, this is The Garage, and this is part 2 on how to avoid paying Porsche tax. For this job, you will need an awesome Granty's Garage First piece of merch, Granty's Garage Boxster sticker, available on the link below. There is a theme to this video. All of the parts I'm about to show you are parts that are wearable or serviceable items on the car. A lot of them we already have the DIY videos for on the channel if you want to tackle that job yourself. Chances are this is something you are going to need to replace pretty soon because of the age of these cars, or maybe you already have done in the car's life. We all know Porsche is a premium brand, but the 986 is no longer a premium car. Most of these are 4, 5, 6 grand in the UK at the moment. However, some of the prices that Porsche charge for parts that are relevant to the servicing and longevity and keeping these cars going are absolutely absurd. For example, that ignition coil. It's made by a company called Beru, if you didn't already know. However, if you call Porsche and ask them for one of those after the VAT, you're going to be looking at £78 each. A Beru coil of exactly the same make, but with the Beru part number instead, will run you at only £27. Pretty good amount to save considering there's 6 of them in these cars. Now let's get into some big ticket items. Where possible, I will endeavour to share the Porsche part number for each of the parts that we're running through, as well as the original equipment manufacturer or other options in the description below, along with a link to many of them, so you could go and get them if you want to from those links. We're not affiliated with any of them. These are just based on the prices that we could find. However, you do need to check that this is the right one for your vehicle. Most of the parts below are for a facelift 3.2 Boxster S. For the first part, we are in the most ridiculous position under the car trying to film this for you. This guy up here is your O2 or your Lambda sensor. These can fail. These affect the emissions readings. This can affect what the car is reading from the exhaust and your fuel mixtures for the ECU and things like that. And they do inevitably fail from time to time. This is a part that Porsche don't actually make, but they do sell. And obviously they came with the car when they were new. This is a Bosch part. Company Bosch make this. They have their own part number for it. If you call Porsche and you use Porsche's part number, when you've applied the VAT, the value-added tax here in the UK, is what we have to pay on any individual purchase. I might say that a few times in this video. You'll be looking at £310 for one of those. These cars have four of those sensors, £1,200 in sensors if all of them go. If you use the Bosch part number and you search for that, you'll find them for £84 each. You're very welcome. Down here in the belly of the beast for the next part, but I'm going to switch the camera around to actually show you where it is. The part that we're going to be looking at for this section of the video is right down in here. This guy, the water pump. And it's not going to surprise any of you that Porsche don't make the water pump. Yes, they supply it, but they have, like many other car manufacturers, an original equipment manufacturer who provides the parts when they build their cars. It's more than likely that Pierburg are the company who provided the water pumps when these cars rolled out of the factory. And the difference in price here is considerable enough that it's worth doing your research. If you were to go to Porsche, give them a call because you need a new water pump, which is an item that can fail, likely will fail, and is a serviceable item after a certain amount of miles anyway. They will look to charge you, inclusive of the VAT in the UK, £371. If you search for the water pump via the Pierburg part number, you can find that same water pump brand new, that's exactly the same part from the same manufacturer, for £147. If that's a job you're looking to undertake yourself to save even more money on your car, we have a how-to video linked in the description below where we did this on a subscriber's car, and there's actually also another video on the channel where we replaced the water pump on a Copart Boxster. Now let's throw a little curveball in here because I don't want this video to just be pooping on their prices. If you were to look at getting your thermostat done, which is this guy up here, normally you would do this when you change the water pump. Video down below on a how-to if you want to do that, where we did it on a subscriber's car. You could be looking at a Wahler part. Now, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It will be in the description below along with the relevant part numbers. If you were to go for the OEM part for this car, you're looking at about £60. If you ring Porsche and add the VAT to their price, you're looking at only £66. So a very small difference. And if you want to, you get to then go and pick it up from Porsche as well and have a nosy round at everything else. And that's often quite worth £6. This would be an excellent time to like the video because I have crawled under the car to show you this. Set this up with a terrible camera angle, awful lighting, and my car's lowered. So this is higher than it's higher than it needed to get if the car was just standard height. Put a lot of effort into these. Give it a thumbs up. This next one is a biggie. This is the alternator. With the age that these cars are, yours is either likely going to need to be done soon or has been done in its lifetime already. All of these cars are at least 20 years old. When they rolled out of the factory, this was not a part made by Porsche. Not all of the car is. We've explored this already. This is made by Bosch. Now, if you were to use Bosch's part number to go and order yourself a brand new alternator that is exactly the same in the example that we're looking at, you would be looking at £299.99. Near enough £300. If you were to ring Porsche and give them their part number for Bosch's part, who are the original equipment manufacturer who make this, so exactly the same piece of kit with a different ID number based on the company you're talking to, you would be looking at £1,741 before the VAT. The VAT is the value added tax that we add in the UK when you make a personal purchase. That is over £2,000 you would pay for this as an individual for something that you can buy from the manufacturer of the part for £300. There's over £1,700 saved, which at a car that's worth 4, 5, 6 grand these days, that's a pretty significant amount. If this is a job that you're looking to undertake replacing yourself on your 986, there'll be a video in the description below of a how-to guide to do it, including all of the tips and tricks. £1,700 saved. For this next part, would you like me to save you £1,000? Of course you would. Now, granted, I'm not going to go and move everything that I need to show you where it is, but this next part we're going to talk about is the starter motor. The starter motor helps spin things up to get the car going when you turn the key as the engine kicks into life. They do go, they've got gears and teeth in them, they do eventually fail. They're a serviceable item that occasionally will need to be changed, certainly likely in the lifetime of a car. It's used every single time you start it. The starter motor for these cars is a part that is also made by Bosch. They make a lot of the electronic components in these cars, and you can certainly go and get one from Porsche. Of course you can. If you were to ring Porsche and ask them for a starter motor here in the UK, you give them the part number, some of which will be in the description below, they will look to charge you £1,300 once the VAT has been added to their price. If you were to go and buy the exact same part from Bosch, semi-directly through a distributor or directly, you are looking at only £330 for a brand new one. That's the original equipment manufacturer, and there is a host of other companies who make a starter motor for these cars that's even cheaper than that. £1,000 saved, you're welcome. So there you have it, over £3,000 in savings for exactly the same parts compared to what you would pay for them at Porsche. I do hope you enjoyed that. More importantly, I hope that saves you some money and therefore helps keep more of these fantastic cars on the road. If you did enjoy that, there will be more of these. This is the second of the series, as I mentioned. So if you want to check the other one out, the link will be in the description below. Subscribe to the channel for more 986 videos, as well as other tomfoolery with the ridiculous project car. And if you really want to help out the channel, please consider either becoming a member or, now that we have it available, very exciting, maybe you could use a very small amount of that money you've saved to head over to our shop, link in the description below, and buy one of our Granty's Garage 986 Boxster stickers. Thank you very much for watching. Trust you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.